today's tutorial, we're going to talk a bit about Canvas Gradebook. Canvas Gradebook tracks the scores of assignments submitted through Canvas. If an assignment is submitted by hand, email, or other means, you will need to enter that directly into PowerSchool unless you create the assignment in Canvas and then enter the grades manually that way. I would prefer the latter. Therefore, all the grades are in one place on Canvas and PowerSchool, and they both say the same thing. So the first thing we want to do, this is our home screen here. We want to go to Manage Subject. From here, we have our navigation pane. We're going to go down to Grades. Let me go back for a minute. Make sure you don't select Grades. This is for the students, and you're just going to get this. Students see the grades here. And you can click View Gradebook here. It's going to bring you to the Gradebook. Or we go to Manage Subject, and we go down to Grades, and that's going to show us the Gradebook. Now, there's a few things I want to show you here. First of all, you can apply filters. So you can filter by modules. You can filter by assignment groups. You can filter by status, late, missing, submitted, dropped, excused. You can apply a filter for submissions. Has ungraded submissions, has submissions, has no submissions, has unposted grades. This just makes it a little easier to navigate. Start and end date. You can choose a start date and an end date. This is brilliant. They didn't have this last year. This is a brilliant. You can search for specific students. Just get them on the screen and nobody else. You can search for specific assignments, which is just going to bring those assignments up. You can import, you can export, you can sync. Here's your settings. You can create a late policy, automatically apply grade for missing submissions. Grade for missing submissions, they'll get a certain percent. You can automatically apply deductions for late submissions. You can do by intervals, how much they're going to lose, the lowest possible grade. Grade post policy, some advanced features, allow final grade override, and view options. You have all this here, so you can mess with that. But really the best thing about SpeedGrader about Gradebook, in my opinion, Canvas, and this is what saves you so much time. I can't emphasize how amazing this is. You go in here, see these three little dots. You click that. Now you got lots of options here. You can sort by grades high to low, low to high, missing, late, excused. You can message students. Let me show you this screen, who have not submitted yet. Give them a quick message. Give them a little kick to, get them going on it. Maybe some students didn't score very well, so they scored less than, a passing grade. You want to tell them, hey, take time to redo this. So you have some options there for messaging the students. But my favorite, I want to mess with the curve grades. You can set a default grade. So let's say something went wrong and you just want to give all the kids 100. You can set the default grade, it'll give them all 100. And you can change how to enter the grades as. But anyways, let's get to SpeedGrader. So you click on SpeedGrader, it's going to show the student's assignment here. You can grade it right here in SpeedGrader. Let's say we want to give this guy a 3. Now I only have one student in this class, but if you had more than one, you can click this little arrow up here, and boom, it's going to bring you to the next student. You can grade their assignment. Boom, next student, grade their assignment. If you use this little arrow here, you can do the drop-down box. It can give you all your students. And a check means they've done it, and I think it's an X means they haven't done it. So again, that makes things so much faster than bringing home big armfuls of paper and workbooks, having to go through and grade them all, and then have to go through and enter them all into PowerSchool. As long as everything's syncing, you do it right here, you speed grade it, it syncs to PowerSchool, you don't have to worry about it anymore. So to me, this is the most most valuable piece of technology that Canvas offers us.